Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to change your default web browser in Windows 10. This should work for other similar Windows, not just Windows 10. Alright, to do that, go over to the Start menu and right-click it, and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Apps, and then on the left side, select Default Apps. Alternatively, you could just go down to the search here and type in Default Apps, which is going to bring up the same menu here. Scroll down to the bottom until you hit web browser, and then select the web browser that you would like to change to. In my case, I'll be doing Google Chrome. Now what we're doing here is when we click a link that's outside of the web browser we're in, it's going to open up in our default web browser. So right now it would be Microsoft Edge. So if I go here and I select this link to quik.video, it's going to link over to my YouTube channel. But it's going to link over in Microsoft Edge. As you can see, we're in the Edge browser. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to go back to the settings. I'm going to go to web browser and I'm going to select Google Chrome, which is what I want my default web browser to be. It's all set. We're good to go. I can go ahead and close this. But if I go back and I click that same link, it's now going to be opened up in a Google Chrome browser. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.